What's up guys, this is Lisa from Bongan States and today I'm at Point Reyes National Seashore and I'll show you 8 different things that you can do at Point Reyes. Our first stop is at Cypress Tunnel. The cypress tree form a long mesmerizing tunnel which makes it look straight out from a fairy tale. It's totally an Instagram worthy place and deserves to be on your bucket list when you visit Point Reyes. Our next stop was at McClure's Beach. After a short hike down to the water, you can enjoy a scenic beach. The 1.3 mile hike is moderately trafficked and features beautiful wild flowers and is good for all kinds of hikers. After soaking in some vitamin C, we hiked all the way to Pierce Point Ranch. Established in 1858, it is one of the oldest ranches on the Point Reyes Peninsula. It was also one of the most successful dairy ranches of its time. A short, self-guided path guides visitors through the historic complex. So make sure you do visit this place. After a bumpy and not so comfortable 30-minute drive, we reached Elephant Seal Overlook area. And once you reach this point, you can witness the fascinating behavior of these animals. We were lucky enough to spot some elk on our way to the lighthouse. Please follow the safety instructions when you happen to see them very close by. Watch quietly, whisper and move very slowly. And please be respectful of the animal. After this, we moved on to the historic lifeboat station, which is a coastal rescue station located on the Drake's Bay side of Point Reyes. There are many overlook areas on your way to the lighthouse. I found this overlook area to be very beautiful and scenic, and also it had a designated parking area. Point Reyes has over 7,000 acres of preserved land and seashore. Every point is really very far away from each other and you will be driving a lot. Last but not the least, do visit the Bear Valley Visitor Center. The park rangers will hand you a map and also will help you to plan the trip. There is a small museum and store inside the visitor center, so do check it out. Let me know if you enjoyed the video in comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to Bongan States. Thank you.